The first known paper currency was used in China over 1,000 years ago. The concept of compound interest was discovered by Italian mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci in the 13th century. The world's first stock exchange was established in Amsterdam in 1602. The United States dollar is the most widely used currency in the world. The largest bank in the world by assets is Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, with over $4 trillion in assets as of 2021. The first ATM was installed in Enfield, London in 1967. The term mortgage comes from the French words mort, dead, and gage, pledge, meaning that the pledge ends, or dies, when the debt is paid off. The term bull market refers to a market that is rising, while a bear market refers to a market that is falling. The New York Stock Exchange was founded in 1792. The world's first credit union was established in Germany in 1852. The Great Depression of the 1930s was the longest and most severe economic downturn in modern history. The first modern credit card was introduced by Bank of America in 1958. The concept of time value of money states that money today is worth more than the same amount of money in the future due to inflation and the potential to earn interest. The world's first billionaire was John D. Rockefeller, who made his fortune in the oil industry. The global financial crisis of 2008 was triggered by a collapse in the subprime mortgage market in the United States. The world's largest hedge fund is Bridgewater Associates, with over $140 billion in assets under management as of 2021. The price of gold is often used as a measure of economic uncertainty and is considered a safe haven asset. The term 401k comes from the section of the U.S. tax code that governs these retirement savings plans. The global debt to GDP ratio reached a record high of 355% in 2021. The term blue chip comes from the game of poker, where blue chips are traditionally the highest value chips. The world's first stock market crash occurred in Amsterdam in 1637 during the Tulip Mania bubble. The largest IPO in history was the 2014 debut of Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba, which raised $25 billion. The global derivatives market is estimated to be worth over $500 trillion, which is more than 7 times the size of the global economy. The world's richest person is currently Elon Musk, with a net worth of over $200 billion as of 2021. The European Union's common currency, the euro, was introduced in 1999. The global banking industry is worth trillions of dollars and is considered one of the most important sectors of the global economy. The world's first modern stock market crash occurred in 1720 in France during the Mississippi Bubble, speculative bubble. The U.S. government is the largest borrower in the world, with a national debt of over $28 trillion as of 2021. The concept of quantitative easing was first used by the Bank of Japan in the early 2000s to stimulate the country's economy. The global economy is expected to continue to grow in the coming decades, with emerging markets such as China and India driving much of the growth.